Hello everybody, Chef Ricky here once again with my cauliflower mashed potato turkey shepherd pie. It's really delicious and very low in fat and calories. So we're going to start here with washing our cauliflower, get everything nice and clean, of course. And then we're going to stick this in a pot, let it come to a boil with a few cloves of garlic because garlic, just let's admit it, makes everything so much better. After that, you're going to rummage through your fridge and find whatever vegetables that have been sitting in there and you need a reason to use them. This is the reason. So you chop up all your veggies. I got some mushrooms here. And I also did some celery, of course. Now I buy a lot of celery. This sort of my snack in the middle of the night when I have cravings. But you get so much of it when you buy it, so it's a great way to use it. Some onions, because onions make every dish, well, a dish in my opinion. There's a lot of onion haters out there in the world though, but to each his own. I don't judge. And I also got some zucchini and squash, and I was very impressed by the size of this zucchini. It must be in season. Thing is huge. All right, so after we cut those up, we're going to get them all washed like you do. Then we're going to stick that in the pan and start cooking that down with our turkey. And the turkey I use is the very lean turkey, the 99% to 1% fat turkey, just to get fewer carbs, or fewer calories in your dish. Like I said, this entire pan is 700 calories. So we're getting everything mixed up there. Sort of looks like a ratatouille going on. I ended up chopping up some tomatoes in there as well. And there's our cauliflower looking very ready. So we're going to stick that in the blender. Put a little lemon pepper seasoning in there. I do love lemon pepper. After that, we got our non-fat yogurt, plain, to substitute for butter and sour cream. That's again how we're keeping this entire dish so low in calories. Use some plain yogurt if you're trying to cut out those extra calories. Use yogurt. Find a substitute that works, that can still give you the flavor that you're looking for. All right, we're going to put a couple of dollops in there and get that to a smooth paste consistency that looks like mashed potatoes. And that's what we have here. Now I got mine a little thinner than I wanted. So if you're doing this recipe for just a side dish, like maybe you want some cauliflower mashed potatoes on the side of whatever your main dish is, maybe don't put so much yogurt in. All right, so we have our pan here. We got our meat dish at the bottom. We're going to smooth over our cauliflower mashed potatoes like so. Looking very nice. This is what you're looking for here. And let me tell you, if you have not had cauliflower mashed potatoes, you are missing out. I mean, it's so good, and there's really not a huge difference in the taste. Like, you can taste that it's cauliflower, but it's very satisfying to know that it's not mashed potatoes, and so you can eat more of it. All right, we're smoothing that out, and at this moment I realize that my OCD is kicking in, so I must put the spatula down. Just put it down, Ricky. Put the spatula down. All right, and after that I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit more of the lemon pepper seasoning, just to give it a nice taste at the end. And this is what we have here. Now at this moment you can put it in the oven like I'm about to do, or you could save it. It could be your meal prep. You could have this for later on in the afternoon or for another day, and you'll already have it prepared. But like I said, I'm hungry now, so I'm going to put mine in the oven at 350 and let that go for about half an hour, or until you have a nice golden crush. And then the fun part, dishes. Clean your dishes while you wait. It's not fun, but you know. So this is our final product here, and I am ready to try. Looks very nice. And so it's so guilt-free. Have some spinach and cucumbers on the side, and let's see how it tastes. I have a feeling it's gonna be good. Yep, I was correct. Hey folks, thanks so much for watching the video. If you like this video, please click the like button and give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, Chef Ricky is out.